Hey guys, Average Nude here. I've gotten myself a ps5 finally, and thought I'd open it for a short little video. Some cords here and whatnot. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Got 3 sets of cords, as you can see. Controller. Whatever this is. He's making a bit of a mess.
Fish with chicken, you like that one?
Oh, oopsies. Oh, that's going. Ooh, would you look at that? How does... That's beautiful. Does it sit up like that? Or am I able to have it lying down like that? Nope. I'll figure it out eventually. What's that? Okay. We've got these little things. I have no idea what these are for. Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. This controller feels nice. That's really cool. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. It's just probably gonna have to sit there on the floor next to the modem.
Okay, put it in the gap next to your ps5.
Because it's gotta stand up.
Oh, it's a stand-up one.
Oh yeah, because it's waved. I don't know why they had a wave-based design. I can't lie down.
Oh.
Yeah, so I don't know how that's meant to work. So my best thing is to lie it down.
Good luck.
Thank you. But yeah, guys, that's it. PlayStation 5. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Peace.